If you plan to live in Portugal, it is recommended to obtain a Número de Utente or SNS number or Serviço Nacional de Saúde. It is an identification in Portuguese health system. If you have this, you can receive public health care as a citizen. The Portugal Número de Utente is gathered in a database called Registro de Saúde Eletrónico or RSE, and the RNU or Registro Nacional dos Utentes, what medicine patient takes, vaccinations, allergies, and so on. In this video, I am going to share with you how to apply a Numero de Utente, what are the documents required, where to apply, and how to register or access your SNS portal. But before that, please do not forget to like and follow my Facebook page. And of course, if you are on your journey applying for a Portugal job seeker visa, please join our Facebook group. And do not forget, of course, to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. What is SNS or Utente number? An SNS or National User Number is allocated to anyone needs healthcare at SNS public facilities. For Portuguese citizen, they get this number when they apply for their citizen card and it's printed on the back of their card. Same to us as expat. So if we apply for our resident card and you bring your SNS number to the IMA or SEF office, then when you receive your temporary resident card, it is also printed at the back of your card. Non nationals are allocated a number the first time they go to a public health facility, such as a healthcare center or a hospital. But being allocated a health user number is not guarantee that your healthcare cost will be covered by SNS. How to apply for SNS or Utente number? Number one, you must find the healthcare center nearest to your home. From my experience, I went to Braga Health Center. Number two, you must come during office hours. You can check their office hours in the Google and you will see what time they open and what time they close. Number three, give the employee your documents, which I will be discussing on the next slide. And number four, after that, you will be receiving the paper with your Numero di Utente. Here are the required documents when you are applying for your Numero de Utente. Of course, number one is passport. If you do not have yet your resident card, so you must bring your passport. But if you do have your resident card, then you can present that to the employee of the health center. Number two, visa. Also applicable if you don't have the resident card yet. But if you do have the resident card, no need to present the visa. Number three is the NIF or your tax identification. Number four is NIS or your social security number. Number five is certificate of residence from Junta de Freguesias. I'm not sure if they're going to accept only providing by the house contract, but it's specifically posted in the requirements in the health center that certificate of residence must be provided. I'm not sure in other health center, but you can check on that. After you submitted all the documents, the staff will encode your information and it will not last 30 minutes even. So you will be probably waiting like 15 minutes maximum and you will receive this document. And here you can find your Numero de Utente or your SNS number. So after you obtain this document, you can now access the SNS portal wherein you can do a lot of things there. I'm going to show you how. First, you must visit www.sns.gov.pt and this will be the home page and go to this SNS 24 hours. Click this and it will direct you to this page. This is like authentication key to access your health number. So there are three ways to authenticate. Number one is through mobile key. Number three is through a resident card if you have the resident card. And number four is through your numero de utente de Saudi. So let's choose this one. Let's assume that you don't have yet your resident card because it's your first time. So let's go proceed with this one. Click enter. And by the way, if you want the guide how to authenticate your access via Numero de Utente, just click this portion wherein it will give you this guide how to authenticate with health user number. So again, let's go back to this one. If you click enter, it will direct you to this page wherein you will need to enter your SNS or Numero de Utente, your date of birth, and your contact number or mobile number. Then click access. After that, this page will prompt to you. So you will receive a one-time passcode in your mobile number and you will need to enter it here and click authenticate. After you click authenticate, this page will open for you. So you will find your name here. It's welcoming you. A lot of things you can do here. It's like your information, your contact emergency, testimonial, authorization, even consultation, examination. If you did a checkup, you can see your appointment here in this portal. So the first thing that you must do when you access your SNS portal is to go to your contact in case of emergency and edit or add information in this part. So in this case, if something happens to you when you are in Portugal, so the government or the hospital would know who to contact and at least inform them about what happened to you. So this is it. So if you do have questions, always you can reach me on my Facebook page. So like and subscribe and follow and join our group Portugal Job Seeker Visa in Facebook. And again, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel so I'll be motivated and inspired to make more videos like this. Thank you.